My name is Eva Madison. I'm an attorney here in Fayetteville. I'm a graduate of this law school in 1998, and I donate my time to Legal Aid of Arkansas because I think really that it's part of our professional duties as attorneys to donate our time back to those who need it the most. And for me personally, I think that the pro bono experience is a way to sort of get out of your element, get out of the ordinary, and to be reminded really of why it is we went to law school in the first place. I handled a case over the past couple of years that involved a considerable investment in time, but it was a case that was very unusual, and it took me out of the ordinary, out of what I normally do. And I think when you get into that different mindset, you're reminded of why it is that we do the things we do. And in that particular case, I was helping a mother fight for custody of her child, and that's not work that I ordinarily do in my practice. But during the course of that case, I became a mother myself. And so realizing the emotional bond that you have with your child and then helping this person that needed legal services fight for her child, it was a very inspiring experience because I couldn't imagine what it would be like to be fighting for my child and need legal services and not be able to afford them. And so I paused to think that pro bono work reminds us all of really what's important. Because if we all think of something that's very near and dear to us in our lives, and then imagine what it would be like to be without that something and need legal services and not be able to afford them, that's really what pro bono work is all about. And so in that case, it sort of was a reality check for me and a reminder of, I think, why it is I went to law school, why I became a lawyer, and what those ethical duties really mean is that we need to give back to those that are less fortunate and need our help. And so not only I think I do pro bono work out of a desire just to help others, I have a deep sense of commitment to my community, and so it comes from the desire to just give back as much as I possibly can. But as lawyers, we have unique skills. We have time and talent, and that's what we do for a living, is offer our time and talent to others. But when it comes to those who can't afford it and need it the most, it's our duty, I think, to step up and offer those services.